Hello doctors and FMGE aspirants. Myself Dr. Sasi. I cleared my FMGE in Jan 2023 with a score of 238 and I completed my NEET PG with a rank of 1401 in 2024. With my experience and expertise in NB pattern of examination, today I am with you with must know and most important topics for your upcoming FMGE examination. From gynecology, you need to know about this Bartholin cyst management. Okay, Bartholin cyst and Bartholin abscess, how will you manage? And about this imperforate hymen, they will give you this classical history along with this cyclical abdominal pain, okay, bulging at hymen. So they will give this classical findings and they will ask you what is the diagnosis and how will you manage them. Fine. And about this primary amenorrhea, there will be one short question from this MRKH, AS or this syndromes, ectopic syndrome or Swyer syndrome. Fine. They also ask about this ambiguous genitalia. Then this semen analysis, they rarely ask, but there is a high chances they are being asked in future examination. Fine. And you should know about this bacterial vaginosis and how will you differentiate from this trichomoniasis and candidiasis. Fine. And in adenomyosis, mostly what they will ask? They will ask how will you diagnose this adenomyosis. They won't ask in management part, they will ask you about the diagnosis part. So you should focus on the diagnosis of this adenomyosis. Fine. And in fibroid, you know, mostly they will give this term fibroid in their question. Here they will ask what is the type of fibroid they will ask, or else they will ask you the management of this fibroid. So in fibroid you should learn about the management. Fine. Next, about the endometriosis also it's the same. Like in endometriosis you should focus on the diagnosis and the management part. Okay. So you should not look mainly onto the etiology part, you should mainly focus on the diagnosis and management of this endometriosis. Fine. And about this PCOS and OHSS, you should be having this differential diagnosis and the management part also. Fine. And about the genital TB, what are the accidental findings in HSG and how will you manage them? How will you manage their infertility? Fine. And urogynecology, you need to know about this fistula and stress urinary incontinence. They will ask you mainly about the diagnosis part and their management in different ages. Fine. And finally about this cervical cancer. In cervical cancer, mostly they give this classical history. They will ask you to stage them. Once you stage them, they will ask you to provide management for the same. Okay, these two things they will ask. Okay, staging and management part. Whereas in ovarian cancer, you should know how to differentiate from one ovarian cancer to the other ovarian cancer, and also you should know what is the management for this type of ovarian cancers. Okay, this differentiation part and the management part. So these are the very important topics from the gynecology part. Just remember one thing, that time is now. So you should make use of this PDF or this video for sure. And if you able to make use of this video, you will able to get your pass mark and you will able to get maximum mark from your FMG examination. Okay, I am waiting to see you with the other side with colorful colors of passing the examination. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.